Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert USDC to USDT on Blofin. So let's get straight into it. Uh, First thing, you can do this with any cryptocurrency in Blofin. So it this is not just for USDC or USDT, but is for all of crypto coins. So the first thing, open up the Blofin account, log in to your account. Then when you are in this main page, head over here to the top right corner assets, and then go to the founding. Click on that. Now this page will show up where you will see your assets right here. Now on the right side, you will see convert assets. So right here, click on that. And now, as you can see, I will select here USDC, as I mentioned before. Now we can easily convert USDT to USDC. And as I also mentioned, now you can see what we can do is the same thing with Bitcoin or Ethereum. Just preview and then you are ready to convert the coins. And that's basically it, how you can convert in Blofin. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.